Good day, learners. As everyone is aware about the Moodle platform, today we are going to see about the another platform called Canvas. First process is to create a username for a Canvas platform by giving our email ID and password. Once we log in, the dashboard applies on the display page. At the bottom of the dashboard page, click on Start a new course and a dialog box will appear. Give the course name and content license to be private and then click Create Course. Now our course has been created. It's our work to now give the syllabus for the learners. Now we will enter the syllabus as different modules or unit wise. In the syllabus page, go to edit and give the details of the modules and at the last give update syllabus. Now our next step is to create modules as per the syllabus given. Go to home and on the right top you can see plus module. Go and click on it. Then give the module to be 5 as harnessing the power of technology and you can log the module until the particular date. Then choosing the particular date, give add module. Once the module has been created, we need to add files into the module. Now click on the plus symbol and in this it will show the add item to the particular module. It can be file, it can be assignment, discussion or anything like this. Now we will choose the file and we will attach one PowerPoint presentation from our desktop wherever it is located and click on add item. Now the file has been attached to the particular module. Like we created our modules, now we will add announcements. We can share important information about our course with our learners. Remind students of important date and task need to be completed in announcement. Now we will type here when does the course is going to start and what is the main announcement for the participants. Go to right hand side top plus announcement and give the title of the announcement and some brief description about the announcement and post it to the particular group whichever you want to see the announcement and then give save. Next we'll move on to the discussion. As usual, go on to the plus discussion symbol and click on it and give the topic title of the particular discussion and give a brief description about the discussion. In this discussion, the learners and the instructors can communicate about the course and clear their doubts. Post it for the particular group STLC and then click on users must post before seeing replies. This is for the discussion as many replies will be there. They should not see their peer review replies before they post their discussion. And we need to mention the date when it is available from and until which date it will be there. And you need to save first. If you give save and publish, directly it will get published. Assignments are generally meant for reinforce student understanding and Canvas supports 5 assignment types. It can be discussion, quiz, external tools and even not graded assignments are there. Now click on plus assignment and give the assignment topic to be assignment 1 and give the details about assignment. Then in points give it as to be 10 or 5 whatever the maximum mark you want to set for the assignment and then give the display grade as points or it can be of GPA percentage anything whatever you like and give the online submission to be text entry, website URL, file uploads and you can restrict the upload file type to be like doc, PDF, anything whichever you want to restrict the file type. And then you need to click on the assignment where you want to have anonymous grading. Anonymous grading gives the graders so that they don't want to view the student name where the assessment is of fair type and the same like discussion we need to post it for the particular group and the due for the deadline for the assignment has to be given available from and till the end date. Till end date and due date is different and then we will give save. Once the assignment page has been created with all the information like points, submission type, file type, everything, now it's our time to create rubric for the particular assignment. So we can give the title of the assignment to be assignment 1 for the harnessing the power of technology and under criteria give the description of criteria and then add the ratings for the marks with the points for the maximum. To edit the rating under rubric, we need to go for the pencil tool, and hence we can edit the rating title and the rating description. In the same manner, we can create new criterions and add our rubrics. And finally, we need to create rubric. To analyze the student with their grades, we can click on grades, and it can be viewed either individual view or as a gradebook. And we can sort our assignments by due date or by module wise and by selecting a section. The course has been created with all the details. Now it's time to add our learners into the course. Go to people and click on it. Give the student mail ID and select the role as student under the particular section, and they can interact with users only in their particular section, and give next. And once it has been available, give add users. Now the invitation will be sent to each learner to their mail ID. They have to accept and join the course. Now let's see the other features available in Canvas, like we can monitor the attendance of a particular student and analyze the outcome of the whole course. So go to outcomes and we can set up the outcome for the whole course. Now last but not the least, we have come to the settings of the Canvas page, where you can actually choose an image for the Canvas course and give the course code for the same. The time zone should be always set as New Delhi, as the assignments timings is correlated with the time zone, and then you can give the different sections and the dates and give update course details. The other features available in Canvas are the application related to the assessment and both for creating assignments. The feedback can also be done through many applications which can be interlinked with the Canvas. And one more main application here with the feature of Canvas is student view. The instructor can view how can a student front page or the home page appears. Thank you.